Hi to everyone. MAMSE School of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering, online classes, Department Mechanical, final year, semester 7. Subject Mechatronics, unit number 3. So last class we discussed about different kind of peripheral interface devices. Okay, that is a programmable peripheral interface, that is 8255, and keyboard interface and LED interface we discussed. So now we are going to discuss about a temperature control of system with 8085 monitoring process. Okay, we are going to monitor the temperature and we are going to control the temperature using the processor in the industrials. Okay, so let's see the temperature control system. So this is the concept of temperature control system which was used in the industry purpose. Okay, so that is, so in this control format we have more number of functional blocks like 8085 microprocessor and memory, that is RAM and ROM, then keyboard and display interface for input and output operations, then ADC and DAC, that is analog to digital converter and digital to analog converter, then amplifiers, then transducers, control signals, heaters, then coolers, or we have a multiple number of functional block like this. Okay, so now when we need to start the plant, so that is, okay, that is power plant. So that is, so this is the plant. We are going to control the temperature in the conditions. So that means we need to get the temperature value of the plant using the some transducers like a temperature sensor. So like that, for depend on the plant temperature level, because for more number of variations in the temperature, we need to use different kind of temperature sensors. So we are getting the data from the plant using the transducers. Okay, then that getting the value of the sensor will be very low, so we need to amplify the value. So it is mostly the analog value when given to the microprocessor. So we need to convert into digital because microprocessor don't know analog values. Okay, we need to convert the analog value into digital. So we are using the ADC. It is converts analog voltage into the some binary numbers. Then it is shared by the common 8-bit bus to the 8085 microprocessor. It is have a lookup table for analyzing the data. Okay, so already predefined values are stored in the 8085. So that is compared with the given value. Then so processed output value will be given to the again 8-bit bus. Then it is go to DAC. So DAC means we know that uh, digital to analog converter. Okay, that means we are giving the control signal to the some uh, devices, electrical devices. So we need to convert the digital value into the voltage. Okay, so we are using the digital to analog converter. Okay, this value also it is a minimum value, so we are amplifying the value on analog value, then given to the control signal. So these signals produce the conditions with respect to the input value from the microprocessor. If temperature of the plant will be high means it will enable the cooler. If low means it will enable the heater. If temperature is normal in the prescribed condition means it is select the no operations. Okay, this is the closed loop temperature control of the some power plant or plant engineering. Okay, for keyboard we are giving the input variable to the function blocks, then display to show the status of the temperature control unit, whether temperature high, temperature low, like that it is indicates. So RAM and ROM, it is stored the multiple number of values of temperature in the particular time period. Okay, what are the variations, like it is stored the value, that is RAM and ROM we are used in the temperature system. So in this system we have used two kind of status. One is program, another one is hardware. Okay, program means it is a software and hardware. Okay, in software conditions, we are using the flowchart for getting the values. Okay, we know that different kind of flowcharts available for the temperature control unit. Okay, let's see the one by one. First, we will see the hardware. So that is, we are using the transducer for the measurement of physical quantities. Transducers are used. They convert them electrical quantities for measuring temperature. Sensor like thermocouple, thermistor,